Okay, so real quick, before the day's over, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to hurry up and replace the front shock and strut assemblies. Hopefully I can get done with the right side today. So I already loosened the top bolts here. 13 millimeter right here, 14 millimeter for those bolts, and for those nuts. And I already kind of loosened up down here. So that hanger that the base of the strut is in should come off. Already took the bolt off in that space you can see here, and you can see there. And yeah, I'm just trying to get it done before, you know, nightfall. So let me go ahead and continue to work. You should be able to slide out of here. Okay, so back. Okay, so this one was a little trickier, and again, messing with, I have to be really careful, almost hurt myself again with just the spring back of trying to get this CV axle loose, but it should be able to come out now. I guess I do have to take out the CV axle. I guess not. Shit. And this else I gotta take out the CV axle. Okay, this should be out. Okay. Let's change this side. This shit is always different. Come on. All right, so I guess damn, it's always something tight like that. Seriously? Alright, I'm not wasting too much energy on this. I'm just gonna take the CV axle back out.